Hey, what's up guys? This is Pramod here from ePramTech. So very recently I have been into biking and stuff. So I'm using my Dominar 400 and very recently I made a ride, and for that I already published a video on my channel. So at that point of time I had a pillion rider with me who was taking the pictures and then who was shooting some of the pictures that were displayed in the video. And Dominar doesn't come with a backrest, I mean the pillion rest, so it was a little difficult thing for that person to sit while I was riding in the 120s and 130s, even in the 80s and 90s. When I was trying to race the bike, suddenly he was getting a jerk, and he felt he might fall down. And when I checked with the Bajaj people, they do not have any backrest specifically made for the Dominar 400. So I did a little research, and then we have two companies, Lluvia and Carbon Racing, making the backrest for the Dominar 400. And after a little research and then going on the looks, I thought I'll go with the backrest of the Carbon Racing INC. So this mysterious box that you are seeing here is the backrest from the Carbon Racing INC. I have received this parcel. It has been a week, but because all this setup was not ready, and that was the main thing, I didn't unbox it. So this completely a packed thing. They sent it through DTDC, and let us unbox it and see what is the quality of this backrest. And once the unboxing is done, hopefully I'll make a video of how to fit this backrest, and I'll give you a full review if it is a reliable thing or not. So let us go ahead and unbox this and then check what's inside. We have put some tape here. It is just a normal box. So okay, this is something that I got, and this is the backrest itself. There is nothing else in the box, so let me quickly get rid of this box. Okay, so here we have the nuts that we have, nuts and bolts that we will use, and we will replace the stock bolts that we have at the rear panel. So let me open this and check what all we are getting. Okay. Okay, it's an NB 12.9 volt. Mostly we are getting 4, and these will replace the stock bolts on the rear panel behind the back seat. We will have 4 of these, but those will be little smaller in size because they are only holding the back handles that we have on the bike. So these will be a little bigger one so that it will accommodate this mount that we have. So let me quickly show the mount also. Okay, so this is the mount. In the picture, when I saw, the picture that I have seen on the website, this was looking, that maybe the quality would be less. But when I take this in my hand, I am able to feel that this is a heavy metal backrest. So I paid something around 1600 to 1700 for this backrest. I'm not sure what the exact amount. Let me check if they sent any bill or something. They haven't put any bill inside, but I'll leave it in the description below for how much I got this, and I'll give a link of this as well. Okay, and we have some 3M tape. Okay, we have some washers, 4 washers to be precise. There we have these 4 washers and 2 extra nuts. Mostly these will fit the backrest here. Mostly that's what I'm thinking. Let us open the rest, the cushion. Okay, so yes. So this is the rest here. So guys, this is a little loose. Don't go by the looks. The thing is, you will have to take out these bolts. This will totally come out, and then you will have to fit it here. After the fitting is done, then you can use these bolts and then you can tighten it onto the backrest. So this seems to be a pretty good backrest for the Dominar. If I show this to you as a whole unit, okay, so this is where it will fit on the bike, and then you have this which will come like this, and then unlike other backrests, we can change the position from here until here. So you can decrease the height and you can increase the height as well. Even the cushion is of very good quality. So remember, this video is not sponsored by them. I bought it on my hard earned money, and then why I am doing this is because there are others who don't know a backrest exists for the Dominar. So I wanted to show it on my channel. That's the main motto. This is of heavy quality, this is of heavy quality, and the nuts we have are like pure aluminum alloy nuts. These won't rust. We have some 3M tape as well, maybe to stick it here, or else to, you know, we can stick it here, so that when the seat is on this, it creates a little bit of a cushioning effect. So that is what we have. We have 4 washers, 4 of these nuts, and these 2 nuts will go here to the seat, and then it will fit like this. So very quickly I'll make a video on how to fit this onto the Dominar 400, and after that is done, maybe after a month or something of using this, I'll give you the full review of this product. So that would be it, guys. If you like this video, please like this. If you want to share this video to your friends who own Dominar 400, please do share, and I'll leave the link of this and the other one that I was talking about, the lluvia thing. You can check. If you like that model, you can take that as well, but I haven't seen it, or I haven't checked it physically to comment on that. This one I have physically in my hand, so I can comment on this. This is of a very good quality alloy, and it is not going to, you know, change anything on the bike. Just the thing that you will be taking out is these 4 nuts which are already installed, because it is also a little bit thick thing, so that is the reason you will have to just take out the stock nuts and use these nuts. Apart from that, everything remains the same, and the next time you will have a pillion rider on a ride, or when you are going out, or when you are going to office, he will feel little safe while you are driving the bike, which is more important. So that would be it, guys, and this is ePram Tech signing off. Bye.